Katie and I did go on a trip one time.
We did. We went to Canada together.
And we did fly first class.
We did not fly first class.
Yes, we sure did.
You did. I didn't.
No, you sat next to me.
No, I did not.
You did. I bought the tickets.
I know you bought the tickets, but you sat first class. I did not.
Hey everyone, Jason Catron here.
I'm Katie Talbot.
Oh my gosh, and we are Vocal
Collective.
Clearly, you are ready for the stage.
I am ready for the stage, Jason.
I mean, look at these hot pants and look at these hot boots.
I'm so happy to be here. Very excited about what we are doing today.
You know that's not really plugged in.
It's not, but they don't know that.
Well, they do now because I just told them.
Because you just told them. But props are props, folks.
Props are props. Hey, so what do we want them to do? Hit that subscribe button. Go to our Facebook, go to our Instagram, and go to the Patreon.
Yes, and we've actually been getting messages on Instagram too, so thank you for following and
totally
letting us know what you guys want us to watch as well. So we read the comments, obviously, but we do appreciate the personal messages that you guys are sending us too for other things to watch.
Yeah, of course. We really do.
Cheers to that.
Do.
Yeah.
So, what are we going to react to today, Katie?
Well, you tell me, Jason.
I can't deal with that. But keep doing it. What?
Because I'm not going to lie. I'm more empty than Jason is. So this is something that I'm going to hand over to Jason. Please tell us what we're going to watch today.
We are reacting to David. Carlos, remind me how to say it?
Bisbal.
Oh, Bisbal.
Thank you,
That
Carlos,
was the best one yet, right?
I just want to thank you, Carlos. Hear it for Carlos in the back. Thank you, Carlos.
Katie, you are totally reliving your club days.
Oh, club days
Right
/ hosting days / I did everything back in my 20s.
Oh, well, I'm sure you did. But let's see. Hey. Let's jump in. Here we go. I really want to go to Madrid. I've been all over Europe, but I haven't been to Spain.
Oh,
hey.
Hot, for one thing.
Where
I
that's,
will meet you there for coffee.
where that's sitting in his voice is so good.
I have high moves too, so you can feature me in this video.
This whole style, I think I have that in my closet.
Pull it out.
Wow, that's really sweet. Look, you're like the weather girl right now too, with your mic. Nice.
Looks a little bit like James Bond.
So I was getting ready to say, she just said he looks a little bit like James Bond. James Bond is like who I want to be in life, everything.
He's my whole world.
Everything. But you know what I'm saying? The reason it's funny that you said that is like, I'm sitting here thinking, and I paused it to make the statement, I feel like this would be a video you and I would make.
1000%.
This is us if we were Spanish, living in Spain, singing this song.
Well, I really wish we were Spanish.
Me too.
Side note, though.
Spaniards are so sexy.
Yeah, my great-great-grandparents came from Spain into Mexico and all of that. So I do have Spanish in my heritage, which I love.
Okay.
But we should totally make a video like this.
I know.
But I want to keep watching this because
this is totally us. Like the whole vibe.
Handsome.
We have all these clothes.
The whole vibe.
We got the bags. Like
I need to do a little bit of working out to get her.
Well,
but
me
I do
too,
have the
because
boots.
he's super fit. But
yeah, so we'll get that on.
Okay, so we're gonna work out and then we're gonna make this video for you guys. Or a video. How he did that was so cool.
She's so edgy.
She is. His tone is so pretty.
Like they're so close but so far away.
Yeah.
Love that.
Oh!
Yeah.
That passion!
Right?
Damn, that was good.
I'm going to speak on that.
Okay, speak on it. That was so good.
Well, no, we're almost done.
Okay, sorry. We're almost done. This is a really fun song. We love to fly.
Love to fly. First class.
First class.
Nunca fue tan falsa una promesa como la que te hice aquel abril cuando te juré que ya no pensaría en ti.
Oh, and they met. Oh
Okay,
my goodness.
So here's something.
That was a great video.
That was an incredible video.
Yeah.
So two things that I love about this, okay? For one thing, I love Spanish culture and I love the passion and the natural sex appeal. One thing that Spanish culture does not have to try to overcompensate on is sex appeal. Because I'm going to just be bold and say this because this channel has made me bold.
Lord.
American culture tries to over-sexualize things, right?
Yeah, because we suppress sexuality in our culture overall. Because we come from a Puritan background, we're told not to do that.
Yes. One thing that they do here, though, is they bring such a sex appeal without having to overdo it and put it in your face. Because, and obviously, like, what they're singing about, like, the missed connections, and then they finally come together at the end. Their tones are very different, but they're very similar in the same sense, in the sense of edge.
They really do both ride that little line of edge. She digs into it a bit more. His is a little prettier. Mm-hmm. But the complement of the two is really fantastic.
Oh my gosh.
Like that,
Are they a real couple?
That is really the case study of this video and their duet is what I just said, right? How they do that so well. Yeah. It just works really nicely.
Perfect.
All these visuals just make you go, wow, I want that life, or that looks beautiful or amazing, whatever, right? Mm-hmm. But that makes it so special to me. Yeah. You know?
I found him very attractive. His curls were amazing. His James Bond suit was fantastic. His tone and his passion when he did
that strike.
Right? I love a good strike.
Oh, behave. I don't even know what that means.
I don't even know what it means either.
But it sounds kinky.
And I also love with her, for one thing, when it comes to artists and singers, finding something with your style that sets you apart is actually it's huge.
It's everything.
So her hair, the fact that there's blonde up front and then brunette in the back.
Oh, yeah.
There's no one that has the front and back. There's people that have the side and
subtle,
side.
But I didn't even notice on. But
so the fact that she has the front and the back is really cool to me, and I really applaud her for that because that's a different step into the physical style of her music and her sound, and it plays well into her voice visually of what I see.
Definitely. I think
we should go to Madrid.
We definitely should go to Madrid, but I also think that, we talk a lot about you and I, like, doing a song together at some point. Our video kind of needs to be like this.
Okay, so...
something similar. We're going to do it somewhere. Katie and I did go on a trip one time.
We did. We went to Canada together.
And we did fly first class.
We did not fly first class.
Yes, we sure did.
You did. I did it.
No, you sat next to me.
No, I did not.
You did. I bought the tickets.
I know you bought the tickets, but you sat first class. I did not.
Oh, wow. No, I think
I have pictures of it.
Oh, no, that's...
But thank you for thinking that you'd like to get...
No, then I got upgraded. I didn't buy it. I would not buy my own first class ticket and give you not that.
Would you, though?
My whole point in this is... We did have a great experience. My whole point is walking through the airport, we looked first class.
We did. Y'all.
We had so much fur.
I had so much fur on.
Fur everywhere.
It was everywhere.
Fur boots.
It was faux fur for those who...
Fur boots, fur coat, fur hat.
Velvet slippies, cashmere socks, velvet pants, cashmere turtle.
He gave me this...
I had fur on my collar. Carler. Not Carler.
It was wonderful. So I think that we should go back. How do you feel about that, Jason?
We're definitely going to do that.
Yeah.
So we'll see you all in Madrid, in Barcelona, and in Cape Town.
I agree. Bottles up, baby.
Bottles up. Until next time, I'm Jason Catron.
I'm Katie Talbot.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective.
You're so full. I'm so so empty.
This is my fourth glass in this video.